These are 5 tricks to use to impress your friends on a guitar. Now, this video was inspired by one of my guys. No, not my guy. It was on YouTube playing this. I was like, which friends do you want to impress? Is it friends that can't hear, friends that are dumb? I was like, what? So, this video, I am going to tell you the real things to use to impress your lovely and wonderful friends. Now, let's get to it. Number 1. Now, how to do that is taking this notes. Let me come close. Let's pick anyone. Then go up and go to this side. Yeah. Then just use your index finger. I think that's what this. Yeah, index finger. Yeah. To do. Then when you're hitting this place, hit the right string, please. Because most of you, I've seen most of my guys when I'm teaching them how to play guitar, they'll be like just hit this string. Anyways, it's all the same time. Then do the same thing, come up. Keep on practicing that movement, and after doing that, you and here comes the hard part. This hard part. So when you come up, you have to switch it to this finger, ring finger. Yeah, this one. Switch it, then go all the way to here, and slide this one here. Then you now do the same thing here, but only that you like switching. Okay, like switching it up and down. So that was the first one. Now the second one, number 2. Okay, now this is just we are doing it on the key of. Okay, I will do it. To be honest, I didn't plan this. I'm just doing it out of my brain, out of my head. I didn't plan any of this. Okay, so let's try this. Playing on the E string. So just everything you hit everything. So when you hit everything, you slide. So you can see this episode. The key of E, you place your fingers like this, and you place one right below, like this. Number 3 is I'm sure that's a song. Yeah, that's a song. It's a popular song. I think Ed Sheeran or Sam Smith. One of those two. Either Ed Sheeran or Sam Smith. But is it Sam Smith? Is it Sam Smith? Leave it in the comment below if it is either Ed Sheeran or Sam Smith. Sam Smith, yeah. Or Sam Smith. I go with Sam Smith. Yeah. The name sounds like a name that use that type of instrumental. Anyways, Sam Smith played, or Ed Sheeran played this. It's kind of popular, so. So is that's what I taught you in the first number one. But you use only one finger in this one for starting. Then you progress. When you go up, go like playing a guitar is like going through roads. So just learn it. You're looking at it. Just look at it and learn it. Finish. Now we move to number 4. Number 4. Yeah, number 4 is I'm thinking, wait, please don't exit this video if you are watching. If you got up to this moment, this timeline, this time, please don't stop, just chill. I'll find out what you can play.
Come on, think.
Think. What's very simple and very dope. As I said, you guys should play it. But it's so hard for you, not for me. I'm playing for. Nah, let's not talk about that. Okay, you guys can play. Impress your friends. If I go up to my friends now and I said, okay, I want to impress you. No, I just come to them and start playing this. That's boring. But if I come and start playing this, so yeah, that's dope. Now, if you want to learn that's number 5. That's the hardest of all. That's literally G. That's what most professionals play. So how I started, I watched School of Rock. Some of you might have heard of that cartoon. That's 3 years ago. I watched School of Rock, and that girl, the basis of School of Rock, one girl like this. What's her name? What? What's her name? Anyways, I checked her Instagram page 3 years ago, and she was playing. Wait, what's this? You lie, you live for moving. Tell me, do you think I'm lying? I know you lie, you live for moving. Tell me, do you think I'm wrong? I might be young, but I am stupid. Girl, my life's a bit weird. You make me sweet talk. Baby, girl, you know the one. I might be young, but I am stupid. Tell me, you know I'm wrong. Let's move it. I am done with my video today. Well, done with my video today. Wait, peace.